Hi everyone, today we can discuss exercise 20A question number 5 onwards. What length of solid cylinder 2 cm in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of external diameter 20 cm, 0.25 cm thick and 15 cm long. So what length of the solid cylinder 2 cm in diameter. So diameter is given as 2 cm. So diameter is equal to 2 cm. So what will be the radius? Radius is equal to what? Diameter divided by 2, that is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1 cm. Then length is given as what? We don't know. What length? We don't know. Length, that means h we have to find out. Length. Length means we can write it as h. That means h we have to find out. Then what are the things given? 0.25 centimeter thick. 0.25 centimeter thickness. So, and 15 centimeter long. 15 centimeter long is given. What length of solid cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder. So that solid cylinder is recasting and we are getting a what? Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder of diameter 20 centimeter and 0.25 centimeter thick and 15 centimeter long. So 20 centimeter diameter is the external diameter of that hollow one. So after melting that, we are getting the hollow cylinder, isn't it? So hollow cylinder we are getting. So that diameter is 20 centimeter. So diameter there given as 20. So radius is equal to what? 20 divided by, that is external radius. External diameter is what? 20. So external radius will be 20 by 2, which is equal to 10. So here we have only diameter 2 centimeter, length we have to find out. So from here we have to find out the volume. Volume of the cylinder is what? Volume of the cylinder. After this only we are making it into a hollow cylinder. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is pi into r, 1 into h, that is pi h. Volume is equal to pi h centimeter cube, that is equation number 1. So given the thickness of this hollow cylinder is given as what? Thickness is 0.25. 0.25. That is external radius from here to here, external radius is 10 and thickness, this portion we got it as, this in the question, 0.25. So what will be the internal radius? That is radius small r. Capital R minus small r is what? Capital R minus small r will be the thickness. So capital R we have. Capital R is what? 10 minus small r we don't know. That is equal to small r. Then thickness 0.25. So 10 minus 0.25 is equal to small r. That is internal radius is what? Internal radius. So from here we can write internal radius. Internal radius small r is equal to capital R minus t, that is 10 minus 0.25. 10 can be written as 10.00 minus 0.25. So 10 minus 0.25 is what? 9.75. So 9.75 is the internal radius of that hollow cylinder. Internal radius of the hollow cylinder is 9.75 centimeter. Given 15 centimeter long hollow cylinder, that means length of the hollow cylinder is given as what? Length of hollow cylinder is what? 15 centimeter. Length of the hollow cylinder is 15 centimeter means that 15 is what? Height of that hollow cylinder. So what will be the volume of hollow cylinder? Hollow cylinder. We have the formula pi r square. We have pi r square h. So instead of r we have 2r. So pi r square minus capital R square minus small r square into h we have. So pi into capital R square minus small r square is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it as a plus b into a minus b into h. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b form. So pi into capital R. Capital R means what? That will be the external radius. External radius is capital R. So capital R is 10 plus internal radius we got now as 9.75 into again 10 minus 9.75 into h is 15. So pi can be written as pi itself. Don't do anything. So 10 plus 9.75 into 10 minus 9.75 into 15. So you will get it as pi into 19.75 into 0.25 into 15. So we can say what? These two, volume of that cylinder will be equal to volume of the hollow cylinder. Why? Because what length of solid, that length of the solid cylinder 2 cm in diameter must be taken to recast. So it is recasting, that is cylinder is recasting and we are getting the hollow cylinder. So volume of both cylinders, cylinder as well as the hollow cylinder will be same. So we can write it as equation number 2. Volume of hollow cylinder and volume of cylinder both are same. So equating 1 and 2 we will get. What about equation 1? Volume of the cylinder is what? We wrote it as pi into h, no? So h we have to find out, isn't it? So equating 1 and 2. So in equation number 1 we have pi h, and equation number 2 we have pi into 19.75 into 0.25 into 15. So equating that 2 from here, if you are taking h means this pi will come in the denominator. So it will cancel. So directly from, without doing this division, directly you can cancel this pi and pi. So h will be 19.75 into 0.25 into 15. So h we can write it as 74.0625. So h is equal to, after decimal place we need only 2 places. So we can write it as 74.06. Why? Because 2 is less than 5. So we can avoid that. So 74.06 centimeter. So height is 74.06 centimeter. Sixth question. A cylinder has a diameter of 20 centimeter. The area of the curved surface is 100 centimeter square. Find first one, the height of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place, then volume of cylinder correct to 1 decimal place. So cylinder of diameter 20 centimeter. So diameter is given as what? 20. So what will be the radius? Radius is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Given area of curved surface, that is curved surface area is given as 100 centimeter square. So curved surface area means what? 2 pi r h is given as 100. So 2 pi r we have, no? So if you are writing this, okay, write this as small r, that is better. Okay, 2 pi into r 10 into h is equal to 100. So what we have to find out here? Height of the cylinder, no? So what will be the height of the cylinder? H is equal to 100 divided 2 pi into 10. Okay, so h is equal to 100 divided by 2 into 22 by 7 into 10. That is h is equal to 100. That denominator 7 will go up, that is into 22 into 10. So 0, 0 cancel. So balance we will get it as what? 7 divided by 44. 7 divided by 44, which is equal to what? 7 divided by 44. Sorry, it is 70 divided by 44. No. So cancellation. So you will get it as 35 by 22. So write in decimal form. It will be 1.6 centimeter. So therefore, the height of the cylinder. Therefore, the height of the cylinder is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 1.6 centimeter. Then next what we have to find out? Height of the cylinder we got first part. Then second part is volume of cylinder correct to 1 decimal place. Here also 1 decimal place here, no, 1.6 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place we have to find it. So volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Pi we can write it as 22 by 7 into r is given as 10, diameter 20, so r is 10. Already we wrote that. So 10 into 10 into h is 1.6. Now we got from the first part h as 1.6. So it will be 22 into 100 into 1.6 divided by 7. So after calculation you will get it as 502.857 centimeter cube. So we have to correct to 1 decimal place. So it will be 502 point. So more than 5 means 7. 7 is more than, greater than 5. So we can take 1. So we have to take only 1 decimal place. So we have to consider which one? Second place. So 5 or more than 5 means we can take 1. So it will be 8 will become 9. So 502.9 centimeter cube. Okay. Thank you.